Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford EcoSport engine overheating issue and outlines commonly documented causes that may lead to higher than normal engine temperatures during operation. Engine overheating in the EcoSport can occur when the cooling system is unable to regulate heat effectively, and the likelihood and cause can vary depending on model year, engine variant, mileage, and maintenance history. In documented cases across multiple EcoSport generations, overheating may be associated with reduced coolant circulation, cooling system inefficiencies, or heat management limitations under certain driving conditions. Some engines may be more sensitive to cooling performance during extended idling, heavy traffic, high ambient temperatures, or sustained load, although this does not affect every vehicle. Potential contributing factors that are commonly identified include coolant level irregularities, coolant degradation over time, restricted airflow through the radiator area, thermostat operation concerns, or cooling fan performance limitations. In some situations, overheating could be related to water pump efficiency or internal cooling passage restrictions, depending on engine design and service history. These factors are not universal and may indicate different underlying conditions across model years. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions typically focus on inspecting coolant condition and level, verifying proper cooling fan operation, ensuring airflow to the radiator is unobstructed, and checking cooling system components for wear or age-related degradation. These steps are general guidance and do not guarantee resolution for every EcoSport. In summary, engine overheating in the Ford EcoSport can have multiple contributing factors, and the exact cause often depends on vehicle configuration, usage, and maintenance. Addressing overheating early is important to prevent secondary engine damage, but diagnosis should always be tailored to the specific vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.